बच्चों, स्वागत है मेरे चैनल पर। बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे अल्फ़ाबेट A to Z। A for apple, B for baby। ये है हमारा कलर्स। ब्राउन कलर, स्काई ब्लू कलर, ब्लैक कलर, ऑरेंज कलर, पर्पल कलर, ब्लू कलर, लाइट पिंक कलर, येलो कलर, pink color, red color, white color, light green color. E for apple. B for baby. B for baby. C for cloud. C for cloud. D for dragon fruit. E for elephant. F for forest. G for grapes. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jackal. K for kingfisher. L for lion. M for magic. N for nest. N for nest. O for orange. P for pineapple. Q for queen. R for rice. R for rice. S for sunflower. T for teddy bear. U for uncle. U for uncle. V for van. V for van. W for white. W for white. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zoo. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.